Top 10 Nail Salon in Chula Vista. 1. My Nail Lounge 2, 4.9 1442 reviews, Hoover Avenue STEDNE. 2. The Nail Stop, 4.9 164 reviews, Broadway. 3. NAILCESSITY Nail Salon Chula Vista, California, 4.8 696 reviews, Broadway #H. 4. Peacock Nails at Chula Vista, 4.7 743 reviews, East Orange Avenue. 5. I Love Nails, 4.7 589 reviews, Palm Avenue J. 6. Pro Nail Spa, 4.7 246 reviews, Street. 7. Sassy Nails Salon, 4.7 244 reviews, Eastlake Parkway No. 107. 8. Daisy Nails and Spa, 4.5 265 reviews, Naples St. 9. Rosy Tips Nails and Spa, 4.5 236 reviews, HSC #D. 10. Crystal Nail Lounge, 4.5 110 reviews, Broadway C.